Hello friends, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create OpenAI API key to use in your projects. Go to the official OpenAI website. Create a new account if you don't have one. Or, you can log in with your existing Gmail account. On the right top, you will find a Settings button along with your profile icon. Click on this setting button to enter the settings page. On the left side, you can find API keys. Click on the Create New Secret Key button to create a new API key. Here you will find two types of secret keys. First is owned by you. This option means the secret key will be associated directly with your own user account. You will use this key for personal projects or projects where you are the main owner. You maintain full control over this key, including the ability to revoke or regenerate it. Enter any name of your key. And select Default from Project drop-down. Select all permissions and click on Create Secret Key button. Save your key on a safe place, and don't share it with anyone. Let's create another key for service account. This option allows you to create an API key that is associated with a team or organization. This is useful if you are working in a collaborative environment or with a service that needs shared access to OpenAI's API. It helps in managing API usage across a group and ensures that usage is attributed to the service account rather than an individual. Enter the service account ID. Select Default Project from drop-down and click on Create Key button. Make sure to save the key on a safe place. Our both API keys are ready, you can use them anywhere in your project. In the Playground menu, you can set up your account like payment method, pricing, billing history and usage limits. The OpenAI API reference page provides comprehensive documentation on how to interact with OpenAI's suite of models, including GPT 3.5 and other language models. Here's a summary of its main components. You can learn how to set up and authenticate with the OpenAI API. Examples of basic API calls and responses. Instructions for using API keys securely. Description of rate limits, how many requests you can send per minute, and API usage costs. So friends, this is how we can create OpenAI API key. Please like my video if you have enjoyed watching it and subscribe to my channel for instant notification of every new video.